Yes, we have 2 in room 3, 3 in room 4, a double bed in bathrooms. Good.
I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how to do it? Yeah?
Oh.
Okay, Nico and Jay are doing bathrooms. Kitchen.
Ok, perfecto.
Perfecto.
아하.
화장실 청소 안 해본 사람이 있겠냐마는 집마다 청소하는 방법이 다르기에 배우긴 배워야 되니까. 청소 끝. 길어봐야 1시간 반? 손님이 진짜 많으면. 근데 그건 거의 여름이고 보통 서핑하러 많이 오거든요. 겨울에는 보통 사람이 없어서. Hello. 뭐 하는 곳이죠? Are you drawing something here?
No, no, I'm just making the kitchen.
아, 오케이. 아, 색칠했던 게 키친용이구나. 와, 이걸 직접 만들어. 선반 같은 거를. 대단하다. 예술가네, 예술가. 이제 각자의 시간 1시간 가량 일하고 숙소 제공받고 너무 좋은 시스템이 아닌가. 와우. Better than yesterday. The color is like real wave. Is your major? What do you do?
No, my major was secondary education with a focus on history and anthropology.
But this one is just hobby.
My mom is an artist and an art teacher.
아, 오케이. 얘는 또 뭐야? Are you drawing?
Yeah, I make a lot of drawings.
직원들 전부 와. 아니 직원들이 전부 예술가야. 너 기타나 쳐야겠다. 예술가인 척.
Okay, in 20 minutes, I will try to bake my bread. My baguette.
Okay.
I hope it will be okay.
I hope to.
Just with less temperature, the other one will be good because it's like the. But it's, the oven much works too strong, and so definitely the top is just a little broken.
It's okay.
But
I think you can still eat it.
yeah, I think so. It looks like crunchy. I don't know. I want to see inside, but it's too hot.
Okay.
But this side is definitely too crunchy. It's like
It's like stone.
exactly like stone. But
You have one more?
I have 5 more.
Oh,
4.
4 attempts to get it right.
So that's why I wanted to try on
Okay.
the first one.
Hey, whoever was cleaning bathrooms, morning team, there's still toilet paper sitting on the footpath here. Just when you walk around and you see bits of paper and stuff, just pick it up and put it in the rubbish. Thank you. And this door needs to be shut all the time.
What's the problem?
There is some. It's not here.
Not too bad. Can be better when you make bread with more hair inside.
I like it.
Yeah.
It looks like real bread.
You like?
Yeah, I like.
You want to try?
Sure.
It's this one is too burnt. One side is good, one side is not good.
Baguette made it from French.
But yeah,
It's a real baguette.
it's definitely not too bad. With some.
It's real baguette.
Okay.
I feel like I'm in French now. In French.
You miss French bread.
Yes, the first
Yeah,
month
definitely.
was hard
Yeah.
because I have my habits, you know.
When you buy this bread,
And I was like,
All
oh,
time.
I can't find any good
Yeah.
bread.
No, it's so hard.
it's really not the same. But let's go more.
Yeah.
yeah.
You look happy.
I want to try.
You want to try? I think when you fold, you get some hair, and that's why the baguette is like not like a block, but with some bubble. Yeah, it's perfect. And now we just need to wait 20 minutes.
와, 바삭해졌어.
Just need to be more
아,
inside.
아 이렇게 뿌려 먹는구나. Can you make croissant?
I don't know. It's not complicated. Like need to make it like super like that.
Yeah. 야. 어. 손 더러워? 스트레이트로 쫑쫑쫑쫑 뛸까? 중심도 못 잡는 애가. 어우, 비 엄청 오네. 최근 며칠 동안 계속 비 오고 첫눈 번개치고 하다가 오늘 오랜만에 날씨가 좋아져서 여기 동네 한번 둘러보려고 합니다. 그래도 여기 꽤 지낼 건데 동네 뭐 있는지 파악하는 정도의 시간? 어디로 가야 되나? 잠깐만, 지도를 한번 보자. 일단은 목적지 없이 마냥 걷고 있는데 이쪽으로 한번 가보자. 먹을 거기도 있네. 그래도 주스바가 있어? 커피숍 이런 건 많이 봤는데 카페 겸 주스바네. 맛있는 냄새나. 피자 팔구나. 치킨 맛있겠다 이거. 파이. 파이 지겨워 이제. What kind of juice do you have? Is it fresh juice?
Yeah, what it says up there is all that's in them. We don't add like water or anything.
Okay.
It's all just.
바나나, 애플, 오렌지 먹을까 이거? Can I have what is it? Butsy
banana.
Butsy banana, please. 오, 맛있다. 진짜 프레시한 느낌이 나네. 막 시럽 이런 맛 안 나고 그냥 주스에 막 설탕 넣고 시럽 넣고 이런 거 너무 싫어하는데 그런 맛이 안 나. 와, 용맹하게 생겼다잉. 좀 억울하게 생겼나? 보통 이렇게 옷가게들이 많고 이런 아트 하는 분 갤러리네 여기는. 솔직히 말하면 요 정도 그리면 나도 그릴 수 있지 않나 싶은데 예술에 대해서 잘 모르지만 이게 얼마냐면 70만원. 에스프레소 딜리셔스 프레쉬 로컬 푸드래. 맛있고 신선한 로컬 푸드. 파이 이런 거 팔겠지 또. 또 빵이야. 파이. 깜짝이야. 놀래라. Thank you.
I'll be in your video.
Hello. What's your name?
Caleb.
Helen.
Is that gone on YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
What's your account?
Huh?
What's your account?
Hen?
Huh?
What is it? Name?
Yeah,
J World Traveler.
J World Traveller.
Yeah.
I'll see me on YouTube.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Have a good day. 와, 키가 왜 이렇게 커? 거의 성인 키야. Are you going to school?
Pardon?
Are you going to school?
We're getting some lunch
Lunch.
and then going back to school.
Ah.
Yeah.
How old are you?
14.
14.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's 15 to 15.
Oh.
What are you gonna get for lunch?
I don't have idea.
That's
Can you
really
recommend?
yummy. Yeah.
Which one?
The green building.
Green building, that one?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
They have really good chicken
Chicken.
and chips.
I love chicken.
Yeah.
Can I go with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course. Really yummy.
Really yummy.
This
Okay.
place. Where are you from?
Korea.
Oh, jeez.
You're from here?
Yeah.
I'm very popular.
Me?
Nah, me.
You?
Yeah, search up Johnny Sins.
What is it?
Johnny Sins?
Johnnyson?
Yeah.
I'm Jinx Coffee on TikTok, so
Oh, you're a TikToker.
yeah.
Same.
Oh.
I've got 4.2 million on the video.
Huh? How many subscribers?
How
many followers?
Followers. I have 1,600.
1,600.
Yeah, it's a lot of people.
얼마야?
I have 10,000.
Me 600,000.
Really?
6,000.
Yeah.
6,000 or 600,000?
600,000.
Jeez, really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got 600,000 subs.
Yeah, search me up on Google. My name is Johnny Sins.
Johnnyson.
Where you heading to?
I don't just walk around here.
Oh yeah.
거의 중학생 나이인데 키가 내만하네. 오, 맛있겠다. 냄새 좋다. 여기 거의 뭐 떡팔듯이 빵을 이렇게 파네.
Can we get a selfie?
Okay.
Can we get a picture?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, please.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's a good photo.
Can you send me? Are you an iPhone?
Yeah, eardrop.
Yeah.
Eardrop.
Can you recommend?
Number 7, number 7.
Number 7?
Number 7.
Okay.
No bones in it, regular chips.
Actually, I don't want a chip.
You don't want chips?
Yeah.
They're quite yummy.
Yummy?
You can just
Okay.
chicken alone.
Can I have number 7 3-piece pack? Yeah.
Yep.
And 1 drums.
And 1 drum.
Yeah. 칩스 너무 많아. 우와, 씨, 저거 어떻게 다 먹어? Too much, too much. Too much. Hop, hop, hop. Yeah, thank you. No. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you. 어? 2개 주셨나? 칩스를 좀
Give you
뺐더니
2 drums because he's nothing on them. Did you want chicken salt or garlic salt or salt
No,
and
it's okay.
vinegar, sea
It's okay.
salt?
No, thanks.
That's right there. $14.50. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Are you going back to school?
Yeah, do you want some sauce?
No, I don't need it. Bye.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Oh, like your YouTube and subscribe.
Okay, thank you so much.
See ya.
라미네 진짜. 간도 딱 적절하고 튀김이 살짝 우리나라랑 다르게 크리스피한 게 아니라 크리스피하면서도 튀김가루가 덜 묻어있는 그런 느낌. 칩스가 얼마나 맛있길래 먹어보자. 난 이 정도 감자칩도 다 못 먹어. 남길 바에는 처음부터 덜어 먹어요. 이거 완전 그 닭가슴살이네. 버벅한 게 완전 내 취향이다 이거. 근데 애들이 이걸 당연히 점심으로 생각하는가 보다. 우리나라 같은 경우에는 웬만하면 그냥 무조건 밥이잖아요. 치킨은 그냥 야식 아니면 그냥 저녁에 맥주 한 잔 펼쳐서 먹는 정도? 생각해보니까 점심에는 치킨을 잘 안 먹었던 것 같아요. 바이. 자꾸 한 명씩 떠나네.
So how many staff is there now? Only
me, Jun, Joe, me, you, Noah. Finish? 6?
Yeah. At least it's not too well. Tomorrow's going to be hell, but that's tomorrow's problem.
오늘 단체 손님이 한 20명 온다 해가지고 피자도 만들어야 되고 저번에는 우리끼리 먹을 거 만들었지만 이번에 손님 걸 만들어야 돼서 좀 더 이쁘게. 내일 청소가 문제네.
So you need to keep them in there until they're just before burnt. They're really hard to cook because they burn really quick.
Someone is coming. They are the people?
I think so.
Hello.
Welcome to Basil.
Thank you.
Pizza's at 6 p.m. That's right. You will be hungry by then. Cool. But all the facilities are just behind you. So you got the kitchen, shower blocks, pizza area, everything's right. 4 of you. You're in Unit 3. Through here to the right.
And slowly start prepping it. And there are 12 meat pizzas.
That's fair bit.
And the rest is all veggie. So, but a lot of things need to be cut, like.
Noah, is this size okay?
Top one.
This size okay?
You are a master.
와.
Do not touch metal because you will burn your fingers off. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the Basil's playlist.
Whoa! You're a good dancer. It's really hot, really hot.
Meat ones get like barbecue sauce on them.
Meat? How many meat?
2 meat. And the sauce. And it's served. It's what I've gone for.
Enjoy.
So cute! It's like adorable, my lord!
I think I found my job.
Official pizza baker. A what?
I don't need to hear.
Hey, pizza baker. It's your time to shine. First the 2 meat pizzas.
I'm gonna be drunken today.
You're gonna be drunk?
Because I'm so happy today. What the?
Which shouldn't be too bad because it was already like straightened up last night. Who wants to do kitchen?
Yep.
Kitchen?
반 끝. 보통은 한 30분이면 청소 끝나는데 어제 손님이 많았어가지고 1시간 반 정도 걸렸습니다 오늘. 어쨌든 최근에 손님이 별로 없어가지고 되게 한적하게 보내다가 오랜만에 바빴는데 저는 손님이 좀 많은 게 좋은 것 같아요. 단체 손님들은 웬만하면 피자 주문을 하거든요. 그래서 피자 만드는 것도 재밌고 가끔씩 서핑도 가고 하면 재밌어서 할 게 많아지지만 단체 손님이 오면은 훨씬 재밌다. 뭐 이렇게 지내고 있습니다. 어쨌든 오늘 영상 여기서 마치고 다음 영상에서 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다.